this feels like it's going so slow. But it is going, so I guess I should just shut up and keep going. And it's looking great. Really happy with how this wall is coming out. Well, one of the reasons it's going so slow is, so I needed sand to make this slopping onto the wall right now. And I asked a local guy who sells rocks and sand if he had like 20 buckets around, because I didn't need a whole boatload. Like a whole boatload is like 150 buckets, right? And really I only need like 10. But if I buy 20, it'll for sure cover everything. So the guy's like, okay, yeah, I can bring you 10 buckets of sand. And I'm like, okay, arena fina, like fine sand, no rocks, no piedras. He's like, okay, yeah. So he shows up, comes with arenon, which is rocks and sand that you would mix with cement to make concrete. And I'm just like, oh, come on. But, you know, there's a bunch of guys here delivering it. And I'm just like, look, this is the wrong thing. I'll take it because I'll use it for something else. But, you know, this was supposed to be fine sand. And they're like, oh, yeah, sorry, man. But, you know, I bought that. And then the next day, maybe it was 2 days later, they're like, oh, we got your sand. I'm like, all right. So they show up with more sand and rocks. Again, not what I need. And I'm just like, guys, come on, what is going on? So I'm like, I'll take it, but this is not what I need, man. And I'm not using those guys again for anything. So what I've been doing to get sand is going down to my beach. I'll put more sand on my beach at some point, but it's going down to my beach with a bucket, filling up half a bucket, bringing it up here. Now when I get sand from the beach, it smells all oceany, right? So I bring it up, I rinse it out a lot. Yeah, it's not like, yeah, it kind of takes a lot to rinse the sea out of the sand. So that's one of the reasons this is going so slow. But, you know, it is going. I'm liking the results a lot. So I'm just gonna shut up and keep going. Yeah, if I was on a job where I was getting paid or something, this would not be fast enough. I would definitely have to do something different. Maybe I'll go get some sand tomorrow. I don't know. Whatever. Right now, I'm just going. Oh, I dropped so much. I guess I need to get a mirror for this. Yeah, like a big honking mirror. Not big on mirrors. Alright, gotta go down to the beach and get more sand. I want to at least get this wall finished. Getting pretty close, actually. Oh, it would be nice if I could get this part done too, because it only goes up to here, up there. Whoa, then I'd have a whole room done. is looking great. I almost got this room finished. Just need to get the rest up to there. Same right there. Yeah, not much left. Should be able to get that done tomorrow. If I work on this tomorrow, which I probably will. Right now though, it's time to go swimming and get some dinner. Oh, this is looking great. I wonder what I'm gonna paint it like. Okay, there's gonna be a big mirror here above the sink. I don't know, I wanna paint it some kind of bright colors. Maybe I'll paint like a beach scene or something. I don't know. Man, spackling all day always gets my shoulders and neck all tight. Ugh. Maybe I won't spackle tomorrow. I can work on the outdoor kitchen or something. Whatever. I'm gonna go swimming right now. That should help loosen me up a bit.